What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we are doing another car review. Now we're not reviewing any car, we are reviewing the 2020 Cadillac CT5-V. I am so excited to get my hands on this car. I've never reviewed a Cadillac before, so to get this car of all cars, the CT5-V, it's gonna be insane. So no more talking, I'm ready to get my hands on this thing, so let's get right into it. So let's get right into it. Let's start off with the fascia, or the front of the car, if you will. So Cadillac totally went aggressive with the front grille. It had the nice aggressive look, that nice gloss black that gives it a classy look that Cadillac provides, but yet keeping the aggressive nature of the car. Now this is the CT5-V, so meaning it is the sportiest car that they have, and it is absolutely just bonkers when it hits the track. So let's go over to the side profile of the car, and that comes with 19-inch wheels. That's just a standard thing when it comes to the CT5-V, and it's just an absolutely perfect size for this car. They're 245 wheels, so you have some nice meat to complement the power that comes with this car. With the wheels comes with some nice Brembo brakes, but the cool thing about these Brembo brakes is they actually have the Cadillac cts-V or CT5-V logo on it, and just showing that elegance of class and just, you know, Cadillac flexing on you. I mean, you don't see other brands on top of Brembo brakes. Then when we go around the handles over here, the handles are a little bit different than you would normally see with the car. Most handles, when you try to pull it towards you, it actually comes out. This one, there's just a button inside, a little rubber padding that you just push in, and the door just opens seamlessly. One of my favorite parts of the car is the rear end. Reggie, how do you like some rear ends?
I like cars.
Okay. Oh man, I set him up on that one, my bad. So anyways, guys, the rear end of the car, totally one of the most beautiful things on this car. The thing about Cadillac when it comes to their cars, they try to keep everything simple, luxury, classy, and they do a great job at that. But the big thing they do is they bring in a sporty look, so you can look around and see little hints of aggression, which I absolutely love about it. So it becomes a sleeper car, if you will. Cadillac, a sleeper car. Who would ever thought? So now we're in the interior of the car, and this car is absolutely gorgeous. I'm telling you right now, they did so much detail when it comes to the interior. You may think it's kind of basic looking when you're on the outside looking in, but it has that nice two-tone leather, which is absolutely gorgeous. You have carbon fiber going out throughout the car itself, and then you got this amazing 10-inch screen. I love big screens. It's like a big iPad sitting in the front of your car. Now you also come over to the steering wheel. It has this nice suede Alcantara type suede, if you would, and then also a nice little touch to detail, but your shifter has the exact same material, which I absolutely love. Then you get carbon fiber going through the center console, and if the screen, if we come back to it, it is all touchscreen, yes, but there is an actual, like a little button here, like a mouse, that can allow you to kind of move everything around, push down and touch, so you're not touching the screen and getting fingerprints all over it. Red, so tell me, would you buy this car? Would you get, like, you know?
I love this thing. It's beautiful.
How does it compare to other cars?
It's hard to compare Cadillacs to other cars, man. It's mixing luxury and sport together. This is a racehorse, cuz.
All right, racehorse. So we can't talk CT5-V without talking about the V. What is the V? It's the most important thing, the most important letter when it comes to Cadillac.
Veggies.
No, Reggie, not veggies. It's basically for performance. It's their line.
I still think it's veggies.
Nah. All right, so from here, guys, we're gonna hop over to the back and we're gonna touch on it real quickly. Is there enough room for somebody like Reggie?
There is a lot of space in this thing. This is ASMR with Reggie. The leather seats feel phenomenal, and there's beautiful red threading all around. I've got long legs, so I can sit comfortably, and also, I like the way the leather makes me feel. Back to you, Cruz. ASMR with Reggie.
All right, I don't know what that was about, but I'm sorry about that. Let's go for a drive. All right, let's take this baby for a spin and see what twin turbo is all about. Fake news, right? Holy cow! Holy cow!
Bro, you hear that muffler?
That's a
popping?
V6, dude. I'll be honest, I thought that the V8, downgrading it, you know, I've been in the cts-V, it's way more horsepower, but this is, holy.
That was fake.
That was quick, bro.
That was pretty quick.
So right now, this is a 10-speed automatic, which is pretty insane that a 10-speed automatic. Mine's only 8. I don't even know why you need that many shifts, that many gears. It must be like a Fast and the Furious car. All right, let's see. What? There it is.
Jeez.
Dude, you can't beat that tune. It is such a sleeper car. When you say V6, you don't think nothing of it. But man, twin turbo V6.
Can't get any better than that.
Holy cow. I'll tell you, man, what Cadillac did was they managed to downgrade on the engine a little bit, but at the same time surprise you and still make it fun. Good job, Cadillac. And the car right there. It's so flippin' impressive. It is. I don't get tired of punching it. Dude, I drive a Scat Pack, and Scat Packs are very fun to drive. And you never get tired of the engine, you never get tired of punching it, whatever. This car does not get tiring at all. It's that turbo, I mean, it's great. It hugs. Dude, Motor Trend got it wrong. I don't care what, they didn't give this thing too much credit in my opinion. I was kind of like worried coming into this car review. I was like, man, they really dogged this car. And psh, whatever, that was a great car. This is a fun car. Holy cow.
And it's a manly car. It's a regal car.
It is a, yeah.
It's a sexy car.
I would love to buy this car for my mom and not tell her it's a V. And so when she punches the gas, she...
Bam! Yep. Do that one more time. One more time.
I got a headache now. Oh gosh. All right guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. I wanna thank Cadillac Sullivan and Ocala for giving us this car and letting us use it and do a review so we can give you all the insight of the new 2020 Cadillac CT5-V. So guys, if you got this far and you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I mean, all in all, this car was absolutely stunning. Reggie, what'd you think?
I think it was great.
I'll tell you what, man, Cadillac did a great job. Hats off to them, thumbs up. I can't wait for the Blackwing to come out. It's supposed to be even faster. So guys, I will see you on the next one. Please be safe, be blessed. Peace.